This is in response to a person who is unable to activate Office on this laptop. I too faced the same problem, but to solve the same, these are the steps. Open Word or Excel from Windows logo bar in the left hand bottom corner and then try to open a blank sheet. An activation window opens with request to activate. Press activate, it automatically gets activated. Please wait around 30 to 35 minutes after first boot. My Office is activated and working. Nice low budget laptop. Really nice thin and light laptop at this price for one-day delivery. Looking also nice as per shown image, and it's worthful at this price range, but packaging is not good. It's pre-installed Office 365 Student 2019 for lifetime and good battery back and also quick booting up, and I mostly like SSD. So must buy if you want thin and light laptop at this price. Overall good and better. Like 1 improvement in build, keyboard and FN keys. Two, very light. 3, 14-inch screen with anti-glare. 4, battery life. I saw many complaining, but my laptop's battery works good. From 100% only 5% drained in 2 days in sleep mode. 5, touchpad. Gestures has MacBook Future. You can swipe with 4 finger left and right from desktop to another desktop. It's in Google Chrome with 2 finger swipe left or right. You can go back and forward pages as in Safari. It's great. 6, 10th generation Core i3 working very good. 7, it's perfect laptop for office, good looking, good feeling laptop. 8, booting time 2 to 5 seconds. Wake up time 2 seconds. Unlike 1, lower part of laptop is plastic. If it would be same material as top of laptop, that would be great. 2, camera not focusing right. It keeps my face always blurred. 3, warranty was showing 9 months, but after sending request to customer service, warranty has been corrected to 12 months, but unpleasant steps were taken for sending request and etc. Thanks to Lenovo team for correcting my laptop warranty. 4, on hand opening lid is still not working. You have to hold lower part when you will open laptop. Conclusion, back in 2014 I had Lenovo laptop. I was so frustrated with quality of display and build, but now I am very surprised. Lenovo has done very good job. Keep going this way by making your products better and affordable. Ice Lake plus FHD IPS plus 8GB RAM plus 256GB SSD equals killer performance out of the box. You don't need to upgrade anything for most people. The display and build quality are both really good, definitely better than Dell Inspiron 3000 series. I have access to both. I really have no complaints at this price. Got it for 37k. I'd recommend it to everyone, and also, don't go for Comet Lake 10th Gen U series. You get newer, bigger, better cores, microarchitecture with better features, encoders, decoders, AI capabilities and mitigation of the Meltdown, Spectre vulnerabilities without any hit on performance. When we were looking to buy a laptop with 8GB RAM, Core i3 with 10th Gen, it was hard to find at this price range. Though we zeroed it down, there was no product review about this variation. So we had to go for it without any idea about the performance. So, here I go, reviewing this for the fellow buyers. This is being written after 4 days of usage. The machine boots up really fast. No heating up issues so far. Appearance is very sleek and lightweight. It also comes with Windows 10 and MS Office. The only cons we find is, the fan is underneath the system. The discomforts, if any, might be felt only after a prolonged use, that too, when we keep it in the lap and work, and the lack of an Ethernet port. I should say that, it is the best buy at this price range considering the configuration. If the specifications of this laptop meet your requirements, then go for it without any hesitation. No other company can provide you such a quality product under this price range. It's fast, i3 10th Gen and SSD ready, super display quality and viewing angles, slim and lightweight, killer look with backlit keyboard, looks way more better than the pictures shown by Amazon and feels very premium. Met all my expectations as well as fulfilled my requirements. I thoroughly reviewed the pros and cons of similar laptops in this price range. But only after reading customer reviews on Amazon, I decided to go ahead with the purchase. The product was delivered to me within 3 days. I have just completed its initial setup and was happy to see how Windows Cortana helped me with her instructions throughout the first time booting phase. I was initially hesitant with the audio part and picture quality, but now that I am listening songs as I am writing this review, all my doubts have disappeared. The screen looks like it is made of plastic. The picture quality and colors are just fine, just that the display looks extra bright sometimes. Audio is Dolby and, without any doubt, I can say that I am satisfied with the audio quality of my laptop. Microsoft Office was pre-installed and, without any hassles, I was able to activate it, thanks to my Microsoft account that I had created earlier. McAfee antivirus also came pre-installed. Processor is really fast and performance of the device is good. For personal use, as in my case, 256GB memory storage is sufficient. The keyboard layout is nice and yes, it's backlit. The laptop is light in weight and easy to carry. I like the overall look and feel. However, one of the biggest problem is battery that drains even when the laptop is switched off. Second problem is warranty began 2 months ago before I even purchased the laptop and now I can't even find a way to extend it, which is disappointing. After some research I ended up buying Lenovo S340 as it fit my requirements and budget. I shortlisted 14-inch HP 14Q with Intel Core i3 7th Gen and Asus VivoBook with Intel i3 Core 8th Gen and finally settled for Lenovo S340 with Intel Core i3 10th General. It's a 14-inch thin and lightweight notebook with FHD and IPS display which is quite good and vivid. I opted for 8GB RAM with 256 SSD which is must for small office and home use. Intel Core i3 with 10th Gen processor is quite fast and responsive. Backlit keyboard with front camera shutter is an add-on. Overall a good laptop with adequate power and storage and good display with latest 10th Gen Intel Core i3 processor with pre-installed Microsoft Win 10 and MS Office at Rs. 38,990. Go for it if it meets your budget and style. I bought it for my wife and she loved it. I give it a 5-star. Build is extremely solid and sturdy. This is like a poor man's Apple MacBook Air. Very comfortable keyboard and feels very premium. The configuration it had come with is very good for what you pay. Its boot to desktop time is less than 1 minute. Very impressed. Office full version activation was seamless and Microsoft did a good job in guiding us with configuration. Battery backup is above 6 hours at 80 to 90% brightness. Sound output is decent from the built-in speakers as it can fill a complete room. Once connected through headphones it sounds much better and it feels like the Dolby was effects are more pronounced. Touchpad is excellent too. Very comfortable to use, there is extremely low fan noise and it's very quiet even in a quiet room at midnight. Best part is its looks, super sleek and so Apple-ish if you like Apple finish but can't afford it, or if you need Windows and Office then look no further, this will surely tick all the right boxes. Beautiful product with great performance. 10th Gen i3 8GB RAM 41,000 rupees silent well-built lightweight good trackpad MS Office lifetime good bright screen quality loudspeaker charges fast enough good backlit keyboard battery is good enough smooth and fast boot up manufacturing date August 2020 good webcam with privacy shutter storage is J. Click link in description for more reviews.